that was doula. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This time it's going to be on a wig that was sent to me to review by the company Arison Hair. They sent me a beautiful card that was handwritten with a handwritten note inside, and also a mesh cap that I'm never in life going to use because I always do the ball cap method. And they did send me a wig brush inside, so goodies. Also, the hair did come inside of this mesh little baggie here, and I keep calling it mesh, satin baggie, and it's good to store your hair when you're not using it, and it reduces the amount of frizz and damage when you're not wearing your wig, so that is a plus for me. So I just took the hair out of the bag, and right off the bat, super silky. Run your fingers through the hair. It has a nice body wave, and this is 16 inches. I got one strand, if you can't see it. I got one strand of hair, just running my fingers through about 5 times. It does come with baby hair, as you can see right there in the front. Baby hair in the front. This is a closure, blah, but it is what it is. From looking at it, it does not look like it has enough parting space for myself. It's not 4x4. Maybe it does. No, it doesn't. Parting space is from here to here. That's not as much as I would like for it to be. It does look like the hairs on the closure itself is of good density. I will have to bleach the knots. And on the inside, there are 3 combs right behind the lace closure, and there is an adjustable strap in the back. So let's try this on and see what we got. Oh, it fits perfect. I honestly love this curl that's happening right now. And this hair is so soft. I might wear this like tomorrow to work. So I like that parting space. See, this is a wig that I won't have to do much to. I already see it. Just turn this baby to the side. Is this a frontal? It's a frontal. But the baby hair is only in the center, which is weird. And it definitely fits snug. So what I'm going to do is cut the lace off, cut some baby hair, lay them down, and I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. All I did was cut the lace off. I didn't pluck and I didn't lay any baby hair down, simply because you could just wear this wig to the side and get away with it. I know I always do videos and I always have baby hair, but I want to show you guys that you always don't have to have baby hair. I personally don't like it on myself because I feel like it just looks fake on me and I need baby hair. So that's just me, but if you want, you could just wear this by yourself. This hair is the wave pattern that it comes in, so I'm not going to wash this out because you know once you wash the hair, the curl pattern never comes back. So I want to wear this curl pattern as long as I can. I could probably do like a curling wand loose wave type of thing in it, but I really love how soft this is, and I don't want to change the hair, the quality of the hair. So I just want to show you guys the parting space. I actually did turn it just for the purpose of the video, because I feel like where they have the baby hair, the hairline looks more natural. So only at the center is the deepest parting space, is about that much parting space. For me, it's not that much because I always wear side parts about right here, and that's all the parting space that I would have if I wanted to wear a side part. So that's why I turned it to the side like this, so that I can have maximum parting space and it can go all the way back. But once again, I only wear my wigs with baby hair in them because I just feel like it's better. So that's why on my videos I have baby hair, but I wanted to show you guys you could do either or. I feel like there majority of wigs you need baby hair because you can see how harsh this line is. But hey, some of y'all like it, and I get some comments where people are like, oh, why don't you do a wig where you don't have to wear baby hair? So here it is, you don't have to. But once again, I absolutely love this hair, not just saying it because I'm reviewing it. This is an honest review. I will be wearing this hair after I pluck and give myself some baby hair. So next time you will see this wig probably on my Instagram, it will be looking fire. And I'm not going to bleach it. I'm going to leave it the color that it is. On camera it looks about a 1, but I believe it's like a 1B, like a natural brown is what they call it. So I'm gonna leave it the way it is. No bleaching for this hair because I like the curl pattern, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you come back for another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.